Let us understand another functional concept called as partial application in this session. So what is partial application? Let us say we have a function with some arguments. With a partial application, which is a function, we take one or more but not all of the arguments from this other function and set its value. Let us understand this. So if we have a function with some arguments, so let us have a function with two arguments, say a and b, and call this function mul, that multiplies the value of a and b. So let us return a star b. Alright. So in this case we have a function with two arguments. So with the partial application, which is a function which will set the value of one of the arguments. Alright. So let us write another function called as PAF, standing for partial application function, that will set the value of one argument out of these two arguments, a and b. So let us set the value of, say, a. Alright. So apart from this argument, we also need to specify a function as an argument, which will get called within this function. Alright. So this function will get called within this function, which will be available inside another function call. So let us return a function within which we return this function. So let us call that f. Alright, so return f. Alright. Now this function will accept our second argument, which is b. Alright. And when we call f, we pass in a and b. Alright. So this is our partial application. Now outside this, we can invoke our partial application function. So it is PAF. So let us invoke that and pass in the two arguments. The first one is a function, so let us pass mul, and second argument, let us fix the value for a. So let us say the value is 10. Alright. Let us save this inside a variable called as, say, mul10. Alright. And then we can call mul10 and pass in the value for b. Alright. So this is partial application. So as we can see, the function PAF takes only one argument apart from a function as an argument. Alright. And calling this function PAF will call our function MUL. Alright. With the arguments that we set and that we pass. Alright, so this is partial application function. So let us run the script. No test.js. We don't get a value because we did not print it out. So let us do a console.log. And log mul10, right? So now we get 10 into 20, which is 200, but using partial application. Alright. Now let us modify this example to better understand the concept. say we have ABC and this multiplies A into B into C. Alright, so what we can have is, we can either have one argument, or now we can also have two arguments, since the total number of arguments is 3 here, right? So this will have one argument less. Alright, so if we have one argument, this function will have two arguments, b comma c. Alright, and f will be a comma b comma c. Alright, so in that case, mul10 will be equal to PAF mul comma 10. Alright, and then we can say mul10 20 comma 30. Alright, with 3 arguments. Now if we run, we get 6000. Now with this, very well we can also have two arguments here. So f comma a comma b. In that case, we have only c here, and then we can do a mul 10 comma 20 here and save it in a variable mul 10 and 20, and then call mul 10 and 20 and just pass the value of c, which is 30. Alright, now if we run this, we again get the same result. Alright, so that is partial application function. Now guys, very well we could have called mul directly and then passed in the value of a, b and c. We could have said 10 comma 20 comma 30. Alright, we get the same result. Alright, we are not seeing the result because we need to do a console.log. So let us do a copy paste here to have a direct call as well. So if we do this, we get 6000, which is correct. Alright, so why at all partial application? What is the need? Can you guess, guys? Partial application postpones the execution of a function till it receives all the required arguments. Alright, so if you want such a kind of functionality wherein the execution of a function should be postponed till all the arguments are received, we can make use of partial applications. Alright guys, so that is partial application in functional style. Thank you.